Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 divided 5 divided 5 divided 5. So let's start with today's video solution. So this math question is harder than it looks. How? But many people still make some mistake. What they do, 5 divided 5 as 1, 5 divided 5 as 1, and then 1 divided by 1 as 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. You heard it right. When an expression like this, you have given a same operation that is repeating itself, then always solve from left to right. So it's 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So this becomes 1 divided by 5 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 is 1 by 5 divided by 5. That is 1 by 5. And in place of this division, if we write multiplication, so we have to do the reciprocal. So what is our final answer? 1 by 25. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.